this yummy chicken marsala with me. Alright y'all, so we're gonna make some chicken marsala with some juicy chicken breast and some smooth and creamy Marsala wine sauce. Alright, let's get to it. Y'all already know what time it is. I like that meat to be seasoned. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our mushrooms in here. And some onion and some garlic. Choose some butter and a tablespoon of flour. Marsala wine and some chicken stock. Okay, pour that in there like that. Let that cook down some. Then we're gonna add our Marsala wine and let that cook down. But if y'all could smell the kitchen, it smells so good.